Have you ever wondered what Sir Isaac Newton was really like? Most of us know him as the man who discovered gravity and formulated the laws of motion. But there's so much more to this iconic scientist than meets the eye. In this episode of Science Snacks for Curious Minds, we'll reveal 5 surprising and little-known facts about Newton that will change the way you think about him. Get ready to be amazed. Newton's obsession with alchemy. Did you know that Newton was obsessed with alchemy? While he is primarily remembered for his contributions to physics, Newton spent much of his life trying to unlock the secrets of alchemy. He even wrote more than 1 million words on the subject, believing that he could turn base metals into gold and discover the elixir of life. In fact, his work on alchemy may have inspired some of his later ideas on gravity and optics. Newton's secret love affair. Contrary to popular belief, Newton was not a lifelong bachelor. In fact, he had a secret love affair with a woman named Catherine Storer, who was the niece of one of his professors at Cambridge. The two met when Newton was just 19, and their relationship lasted for several years. However, their love letters were burned by Newton himself, and little is known about their time together. Newton's contribution to optics. Most people associate Newton with gravity and the laws of motion, but he also made significant contributions to the field of optics. In 1672, he conducted a series of experiments with prisms and discovered that white light is made up of a spectrum of colors. He also invented the reflecting telescope, which uses mirrors to focus light and has since become a staple of astronomy. Newton's role in the Royal Mint. Towards the end of his life, Newton served as the warden and later the master of the Royal Mint in London. In this role, he was responsible for regulating the currency and prosecuting counterfeiters. He even went undercover to catch criminals and personally supervised the production of new coins. His work at the Royal Mint helped modernize England's monetary system and laid the foundation for the country's economic success. Newton the stock trader. There is a popular story that Sir Isaac Newton lost a fortune in the stock market in the early 1700s. At the time, the South Sea Company was a popular investment opportunity that promised high returns to investors. Newton, who was already a wealthy man, decided to invest a large sum of money in the company. Initially, the investment performed well, and Newton made a significant profit. However, he was convinced to reinvest his earnings into the company, which ultimately led to its collapse. Newton ended up losing most of his savings, which was a devastating blow to him. And there you have it, 5 lesser-known facts about Sir Isaac Newton. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating and quirky side of this iconic scientist. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.